My name is Mr. Fragrance. Welcome, Fragrance Community. If you like fragrance reviews, unboxings, and free giveaways, well, you tune to the right channel. All I ask at the end of my video, if you do like fragrance reviews, unboxing, free giveaways, please click the subscribe button or consider hitting the subscribe button at the end of my video. So today's video is going to be a fragrance comparison video between Creed Vetiver Geranium versus Tom Ford Grey Vetiver. We're going to see which one has better performance, longevity, compliment factors, and which one's best for your bang for buck. So please, I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Before we start the fragrance comparison video, I'd like to mention one honorable mention. If you can't afford the other two fragrances in this video coming up, they are pretty expensive. They're between $100 to up to $300 something for the other two fragrances that I just mentioned. You can pick up this Banana Republic 83 Leather Reserve. It's not the best projection. You get about 30 minutes to maybe an hour projection. And longevity, you're going to get between 2 to 3 hours. It's not the best, but it has that vetiver type of feel to it. And on my skin, it has that kind of musky towards the dry down. It's not the best, but if you're looking for an alternative, you don't have a lot of money, you just want some kind of vetiver fragrance, you just want to wear to work, or a fragrance where you can reapply several times. This is under $40 bucks. You can pick it up at Banana Republic. They do have it at maxroma.com. Sometimes they offer 20% off, so you may get it for like 25, 30 bucks. And this is Banana Republic 83 Leather Reserve. A pretty great, simple, dumb reach fragrance if you want to pick it up in my suggestion. If you want a vetiver type of fragrance, this opens up just like the Tom Ford Grey Vetiver. Just for the first 30 minutes to an hour, it's pretty nice. You really can't, I couldn't really tell the difference which one you had on. But later down, when you talk about projection longevity, then yes, you could tell this was the cheaper version. This is just one honorable mention. Now we're going to get into my fragrance comparison video. So, Creed Vetiver, Tom Ford Grey Vetiver. Okay, let's talk about both these fragrances. Tom Ford Grey Vetiver. I like this one a lot. Very fresh and clean out the shower fragrance to my nose. The vetiver is really nice in this fragrance. Just overall, I enjoy this one a lot. Now, if you're looking for price point wise, this is way better than picking up this one here. This one looking at between $289 for a pre-owned bottle with like half used, and for the full bottle, looking at about a fully bottle without, brand new pretty much, is $315. That's very steep for Creed, but people that have Creed fragrances like Creed Aventus, Creed Viking, Green Irish Tweed, you already know about Creed fragrances. You know they're nice fragrances. Some people would last better on their skin, some people they don't, but they enjoy their Creed fragrances. So there's there's Creed boys out there, Creed girls, so they're gonna get Creed fragrances. Tom Ford, if you like Tom Ford, you're gonna go with Tom Ford. The Grey Vetiver, the EDP or the EDT. I have the EDT here. It's great. The opening is gorgeous. The Vetiver, just clean, fresh out the shower. I enjoy this one a lot, and you really can't go wrong with a fragrance like this. If you just want something fresh and clean, going to work every single day, you can two, 3 sprays, 4 sprays, doesn't matter. Projection wise on this one, Tom Ford, I get about 2 hours of projection. I get between 6 to 7 hours on my skin. It's just great. It won't get you to a whole work day. It might get you to a good 6 hours, but you can always reapply this fragrance. Nobody's gonna find it inoffensive. It's a fresh, clean fragrance. The Mr. Clean guy, the Mr. Just Quiet guy. That's it. There's nothing extraordinary about this fragrance. You're not going to wow anybody, but you will, you will smell nice and clean and fresh. And you're not going to offend anybody in the office. And sometimes you want a fragrance like that. You don't want to offend people in the office at all. You want to go to work. You want to smell clean. People say, give you a compliment. That's great. If they don't, it's okay. You don't want any negative compliments with wearing fragrances, and this will not do it. And this fragrance is between $97 for a 1.7 bottle like this, and you get a big 3.4 for looking at about $115, $118. I'll leave the description here below how much they cost if I'm wrong. And I picked this up at Macy's. You pick it up Nordstrom, Sephora, they all have this. This is Tom Ford Grey Vetiver. You can wear this dressed up, dressed down, but it's not going to really catch anybody's eyes. Season wise, you can wear it all year round. It's not going to project very good in the winter, but if you wear it in close inside close facilities and stuff like that, it's not going to offend anybody. You get some projection, but it's not beast mode. And right here we'll go right into the Tom Ford Vetiver Geranium. This fragrance is really nice, man. A very fresh blast of my nose. I get the lemon, and then I get the vetiver, and then I get the musk. But it's great overall. You know, you spray this on, it's just on my skin. I get the fresh lemon, like I just went to like a lemonade stand, and the little girl or the boy squeezing the lemon, and you smell the fresh lemon. That's what I get off the first initial blast of it. And then later down, within an hour, so after the hour or two after projection, in the middle note, I kind of get like, I get the vetiver, and then towards the dry down, I get the musk in it. But it's a great fragrance. The only downside I see in this fragrance here is longevity. I get better longevity with Tom Ford, great vetiver, than I get with this. This I get about 4 to 5 hours. I get another 6 to 7 hours with Tom Ford, so it's like a 2-hour difference. This fragrance is really nice, very classy. You can wear this dressed up or dressed down. I see this as more of a dressed up because the price tag is so expensive. I don't know if you want to spray this fragrance every day to work for $289 to up to $315. It's up to you. I mean, if you have the money, more power to you. Spray it each day. It's a lot. I got this as a gift from a fragrance person that follows my channel. His name is A2. I appreciate that. I have a review about this by itself if you want to click below, but I'm just doing a comparison because they're both vetiver fragrances. But it's a good fragrance. Would I ever spend $300 something for a vetiver fragrance? Right now, I can't say. I would like to get Creed Aventus eventually, but right now it's kind of high. I might get a decan and see if I even like it. I've heard good things about Creed Aventus, but I haven't got my nose on it yet. People say like it. A lot of people say didn't like it. So it's a mixture batch of people, girls and men. But back to this. Creed Vetiver. I like the fragrance. So far it's good. But I don't really think I'm gonna pay $300 for this fragrance if I would have bought it by myself. Which one is good for you? If you have the money, pick up this one. You'll like it. If you don't have $300, you want an alternative, pick this one up here. You can wear these dressed up, dressed down. You know, season wise, in a close environment, indoors, they're both going to work really nice. They both project. I'm not talking beast mode. This is kind of beast mode when you spray 3-4 sprays. This is okay. It's not beast mode, but people do smell it. Either one of these fragrances are great selection fragrances, but it's up to you guys. If you guys like fragrance reviews and unboxes and free giveaways, please consider clicking the subscribe button to my channel, Undercover Fragrances. If you have any questions about these fragrances, please leave a comment below letting me know. I hope you guys had a nice day, and more videos are coming soon. Goodbye.